What's up guys, I am Bilal and today I am going to tell you the method for fixing the Strava GPS issue on MIUI 9. You will have to change some settings in your Xiaomi phone to fix the GPS issue with Strava. So follow the steps with me. First you have to open the security which is available on the home screen and select battery. Select the settings icon on the top right and set the second setting to never. Then go back, open settings and scroll down to installed apps. Select Strava here and enable it to auto start, and in app permissions enable the permissions for body sensors, location and storage. Okay, and in other permissions just enable everything here, and in notifications enable all kind of notifications. Now go to battery saver. By default it is set to battery saver, set it to no restrictions. Okay, that's it. And the last thing that you have to do before starting any ride is to swipe down on your main screen, press and hold the GPS and set it to high accuracy. So these are the entire settings which need to be set once only. Just apply the settings and reboot your phone and you are good to go for your ride. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bell icon. Bye for now.